A near brawl broke out between Ray J and Diddy's sons, Christian, Quincy, and Justin, at a Halloween party after tensions rose over Ray J's recent public remarks about Diddy's legal issues. The situation got heated outside Tara Electra's unruly agency event, with Ray J and Diddy's sons allegedly chest bumping and preparing to throw punches. Before things escalated further, Chris Brown stepped in, pulling the Combs brothers away and managing to keep the peace. Despite their past confrontations, Ray J reportedly still views Diddy's family as his own, but refuses to let himself be intimidated. This incident highlights a new layer of tension among the Combs family amid Diddy's ongoing controversies.